What is some medical information on Cocker Spaniels? Well, Cocker Spaniels are a great smaller breed of dog, but like any purebred dog, they do come with certain genetic medical complications that can be there, especially in overly inbred or overbred species of the dog. Potential problems could be things like patella luxation, which is actually slipping of the patella inside the knee cap. Atopic dermatitis. Um, there can be you have to make sure you pay special close attention to the ears as they are because they're so floppy and overly long. Ear infections are very common, as is a certain sort of lower lip infection that can cause swelling and pus. So special attention should be paid to the lower lip and making sure the teeth aren't rubbing on it too much. They can also have, of course, hip dysplasia problems. There's progressive retinal atrophy, which is, of course, genetic disease that will slowly progress and cause the dog to go blind, as well as what we call the bleeder's disease, which is hemophilia, which is basically a lack of blood clotting. And so the animal gets a cut, they can bleed profusely more than normal. Any breed of animal, especially dogs that are bred over hundreds of years for specific purposes and reasons, are going to have certain medical ailments that are inherently there in their genetics. You pick any breed out of the AKC and point at it, and there's a list as long as your arm of potential health problems. So don't let that discourage you from getting that particular breed, but be aware of the health problems so you can spot them before they become too much of an issue, and hopefully some sort of corrective procedure or action can be taken to help the animal.